Hi friends, I am Navneeth and in this video I am going to unbox Redmi Note 10. It's the first unboxing video for the channel, so if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. The main highlight of this phone is its display, which is having a Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen at this price point. This phone comes in 3 variants, which is Aqua Green, Frost White and Shadow Black, and I am having the Aqua Green variant. Now let's see what the contents of this box are. Now let's keep the phone aside. Then we have SIM ejecting tool, the user manual and warranty card, a silicone case. Next, USB 8 to Type-C cable and a 33-watt fast charger. The phone feels light and easy to handle, and it comes with Android 11 out of the box. On the left side, there is a SIM tray with a triple slot. On the right side, we have power lock unlock button plus fingerprint sensor and volume rockers. At the bottom of the phone, there is headphone jack, primary microphone, USB-C port and speaker grill. On the top side, it has secondary microphone, IR blaster and speaker grill. And about the camera, it has a 13 megapixel front camera and rear camera 48 megapixel Sony IMX582 sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and both macro and depth camera have 2 megapixel each. These are some photo samples taken on different modes on this phone. Back side is made up of plastic. You can also uninstall some of the preloaded apps. Face unlock and fingerprint sensor work very fast on this phone. And about the battery, it has a 5000 mAh battery, and with the 33-watt fast charger, battery will be fully charged in about 74-75 minutes. Now let's check the gaming performance of this phone. And this phone has a Snapdragon 678 processor. In graphic quality, we can go up to very high.
We've taken the lead.
Need backup. Enemy contact. Tango down.
Enemy down.
Watch out! Grenade! Grenade!
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Cover me! down!
UAV online.
You're eliminated!
Friendly Predator missile inbound.
Contact with enemy!
The phone works smoothly even on very high graphics.
Need backup!
That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.